Hi, it's Jan Johnson, and once again, thanks for tuning into the Jan Johnson program. And just like I said yesterday, we are in the midst of this great week to talk about those things that are maybe holding us back and maybe what's stopping you from creating wealth in your life and moving your business forward. And I kind of shared some things that I was going to share with you throughout the week, and I think I put them in a certain order. At the end of yesterday's video, I had them in a different order. So today what I'm going to cover for you is the excuses that so often hold us back. And then tomorrow we'll move into the money aspect of it, continue on with that on Thursday, and then end up with moving forward. And so as far as excuses, there are 13 excuses that I've found that I've used some of, I've seen other people use many of, and I'm wondering if you have used any of these, and if you have, stop it, because they are nothing but excuses. So I'm going to go through those 13 excuses. This is going to be a fairly quick video because I really want you to hear them all and then determine for yourself whether or not you have used any of these excuses. And if you have, make a comment, forward it on if this helps you. So let's get right to those excuses that can hold you back. And this, by back, I mean from living the best life you can, from working your network marketing business and moving it forward. And so let's just go through those. One of those, I'm too old. I hear that all the time. And I will tell you that I'm a perfect, how should I say this, example of you're not too old to do anything. Because age is something that just is self-perpetuating in your mind. I never know why people lie about their age, because it doesn't make them look younger. I don't know why they lie about their weight. It doesn't make them look thinner. But you're never too old. And I just want to get that right out in front. You're never too old. So I'm too old is not an excuse. Number two, I'm too busy. Give a busy person something and they're the ones that are going to get it done. And I know that if I have 6 things to do, I'll get 4 done. If I have 100 things to do, I'll get 98 done. So I'm too busy is not an excuse. I've never learned how. Well, start learning how. We can all learn things. Just like me doing these videos, I didn't know how to do it. Oh, it was hard. But here I am doing them for you. We can learn new things. We really can. It's too hard. You ever feel really good because you accomplished something because it was too hard? Get the "it's too hard" out of your head and start figuring out how to make that thing that was hard easy, and you'll feel really good about yourself. I'm not good with change. I'm somebody that's really not good with change, and I'll admit that. But I've learned that the only constant in life is change. And so therefore, I'm not good with change is something that can hold you back. You've got to realize that that constant is change and enjoy it, embrace it in life. I had my chance. You can look back a lot of times and say, I woulda, coulda, shoulda, I should have done that. And that goes right along with I'm too old or it's too late kind of thing. Hey, I had my chance. Now's your chance. Every day is the first day of the rest of your life. You've heard that? So now is your chance. Don't say I had my chance. I'm afraid of what others might think or say. That's something I guess I have never been using as an excuse. I know a lot of people do. I personally haven't used that because I've always been of the belief that I don't really care what people think or say. Maybe that doesn't serve me very well. But if you're using that one, get beyond it. It's not a good one. You are you. Embrace who you are and move forward with that. I don't know where to get started. Well, in this industry, in our profession, network marketing, that's perfect because you go to your upline, you go to your sponsor, and they will help you. And if they can't, there's somebody else making money from you that will be able to help you. So go and find out where to get started in your business. That's really important. Number 9, I don't know the right people. Well, the person that brought you into your business is the right person for one, and have them introduce you to another person and seek out and find people. You will find the right people and you'll get to know more and more and more people. Every single solitary day, new people come into my life, and that is very helpful, and it's because I seek them out. And so you have to seek out people. Number 10, I've never done it before. Well, starting with walking and talking, you never did that before. Any job you've ever had, you never did before. Everything new that you do, you've never done before. Learn it. Don't use it as an excuse. Number 11, other people have all the luck. Well, that's not something else. That's another one I've never used, but I've heard it a lot. Oh, they've got all the luck. Everything they do turns to gold. There's a reason for it. It's their attitude. It's how they stick themselves out there. And so don't be thinking of that. If you hear yourself saying that, that's another one I want to tell you. Just stop that one right now. Number 12, there are too many obstacles in the way. Clear the path. Get rid of the obstacles. One by one, on a day-to-day basis. If something's in your way, plow through it. And then the next day, plow through the next one. You'll feel very good that you did. Don't let the worry of what's in front of you keep you from doing something that can change your life. And number 13, there's not enough to go around. I'll tell you, in our industry, there is so much to go around. And I always live from that feeling of abundance. You know, if you go to the ocean with a thimble, you could never empty it. If you went every day, if you went a wheelbarrow down there every single day, you could never empty it. If you took a truck, if you took a lake and emptied the ocean to the size of a lake, you couldn't empty it. And it's always going to flow. There is abundance that continues to flow in always. So do not be thinking there's not enough to go around. There's everything of enough to go around. And sharing in our business and helping others is what makes us all be successful. So those 13 things are excuses. If you've made them, think about the fact that you've made them. If this helps you, please pass it on. I love helping you. I love what I do. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.